Hello! Who's that? Too quick for the eye. You cross him, you die. Now, mind if I cut in? Woo! Splendid! I've been looking for a new dance partner. Private party, huh? That's fine. I'll settle for a race then. Just one.
You talking to me?
I most certainly am. So terribly sorry. Your words failed to reach my ears, sluggish and slow as they are.
What's this guy's deal?
The lady's curiosity has been piqued. My name is Roche, but you may address me by the more accurate appellation.
Who's that, Mom?
My ears are attuned to the feminine voice.
Ugh, today is the worst.
Yes, this is the contest I've been waiting for. Feel like dancing, friend? I only have eyes for you! Don't you dare look away! Your eyes are for me alone!
What is he up to now?
Same shit.
Not bad! To be honest, I had an abiding affection for your mount. But what can a simple ride one fight? A fight today! One must unlock its true potential, become one with the machine, like this! Can't catch a break! Need to recharge? Shall I keep you company? Embrace your emotions. Bare your heart to the world.
You better hurry, Cloud.
My partner is faster by the second.
Had enough?
Don't be absurd. As if I could ever grow tired of your company. Naughty, naughty! Until one of our flames is forever extinguished, our dance will never end! Wait for me! Room! Ho ho ho! Come on, let's push it past the red line!
Jesse, take over.
Huh?
Well. I do believe this round is yours. Maybe next time we can keep it just between the two of us.
Maybe.
Until we meet again, my friend!